Before attempting to correct any issues with your Automower, check the troubleshooting section of the user manual first. It contains information that goes into detail about any error messages you may encounter. Your Automower's battery may not need to be replaced for several years, but like all components, it does have a limited service life. Some telltale signs that your battery may need replacing include frequent empty battery errors, mowing cycles that are significantly shorter than specified, or charge times that are significantly longer than specified. Fortunately, once you get a replacement battery, you can replace the battery in the 115H Automower yourself. First, set the Automower's cut height to its lowest setting. Then remove the screws that secure the battery cover. Remove the original battery, insert the new replacement battery, replace the screws in the door, and that's it. Your Husqvarna Automower is ready to continue giving you a perfect lawn 24/7.